ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈമാണ് മെഴ്സിഡസ് ബെൻസിൻ്റെ GLSൽ ഞാനൊരു എക്സ്ട്രീം ഓഫ് റോഡ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കാക്കനാടാണ്. ഇത് മെഴ്സിഡസ് ബെൻസ് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്ത ഡ്രീം ഡേയ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഇവൻ്റാണ്. ഇതിൽ പല കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഓഫ് റോഡാണ് വിത്ത് ദ GLS. അപ്പോൾ നോർമലി GLS പോലുള്ള ബെൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു ടോപ്പ് എൻഡ് സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ് വണ്ടി എടുത്തിട്ട് ആരും ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഓഫ് റോഡ് ഒന്നും എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകത്തില്ല. ബട്ട് ഇത് ജസ്റ്റ് ടു റിമൈൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് Benz is capable of this much off-road. അതാണ് ഈ ഒരു നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ഓവറോൾ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കൂടെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്.
Select off-road. The moment you select off-road, you get a activate option here. Activated. It's already activated, so it's not getting here. That's about it. Then you get a display like this. You have got 5 dynamic.
Once it is in the off-road mode, the suspension changes.
Yes, right? To the maximum height. And then you have got 5 dynamic modes here. Traction on and off. Shifting gears to manual. Comes to the pedal, DSR, which is downhill speed regulator. Then you have got a proximity sensor. We call it ears because that's the only thing that we can listen if something comes. Twister, again one of the boring one, but then this demonstrates that axles are very durable and will not go anywhere. I can give you personal assurance because we have been doing this for years now. Also interestingly, this camera that you see here has got one more mode that I'll be showing you now. In front of us is rock bed. The camera switches itself to below the bonnet. It's transparent.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So the moment you start moving,
So it's just showing the underbody.
Yeah. So you have a real-time picture to everything. However, this camera is not placed below the bonnet. It is placed on the bumper, and the AI and all the microchips are doing things and stitching it for you to have a visual. The moment you stop like this for 0 speed, it will give you no data because it cannot see anything further. Next set of obstacles, those two, is called side inclines.
Side inclines, okay.
This car has a tilt over angle of 33 degrees, but we'll be doing about 27-28 degrees.
It can go up to 33 degrees.
33 degrees. You can
Without
see.
overturning.
Sorry,
Without being,
flipping. And you will get this information here in the center screen. We are at 19 degree.
20,
Take a wild guess. Where should we go?
it's showing now 20 degrees.
27.
I'm asking where should we go? We'll be close to 28, 29. If you guys want, you can shake the car and see if it's stable.
Still
stays.
stable. Huh?
Yeah, because that's there. So anyway, we are not.
So the maximum you should take is only up to 27.
No, 33.
33.
Off the record, I've done 37 also.
Oh, I see.
Off the
Still,
record.
it is stable.
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go.
Yes.
Now, when we go on the other incline,
Yeah.
I will not be going at this height because everyone is not comfortable seeing ground so close because it will be for you now. And also, this is a smaller ramp, so we'll be climbing to that height very quickly. I'm sure you'll have fun. Scarier than that?
Yes.
The rear right wheel is still in the air.
Oh.
Would you still want to shake the car and see? Go for it, go for it. I will help. Okay, we'll go further
Nice.
ahead now. Now going out of it, our front right wheel also goes in the air. This also showcases the chassis is very strong and will not have flex.
So you have only 2 wheels just touching the
Ground. And 2 wheels were
2 wheels are in the air.
No, not in the air. 1 wheel in the air,
Okay.
and 1 wheel on the ramp
Okay.
while exiting. Next set of obstacle, what you see there is called articulations. This is to demonstrate the 4matic movement of the transfer case, and also we'll be showcasing you airmatic suspension. I believe we'll go a little slow because we'll create a jam there on to the climb.
Yeah. So will the vehicle show some kind of warning like before it is okay, you are now reached maximum, let's say 30, 33 now?
Oops. That's all.
It doesn't show or it doesn't give you any warning.
No. Now while doing this, our front right wheel is in the air.
Yeah.
Our rear front left wheel will be struggling to climb. Technically it should. So now this is where 4matic comes in the picture. And we'll start going to the other side. Now. And also if you now notice when we went to the other side, it was not something maxing out or the third sound. It sounded more like a basketball or a football thrown on the ground.
Yeah.
Like, boop. So that's the airmatic suspension for you. yeah, that will be our last obstacle for the day, I guess. Do you have space for 2-3 more people? Do you have time? Will you be able to take them if I send somebody there?
Remove the cones.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Close it. Okay.
Actually, we do not do anything after sun. As soon as it's down, we'll go. I'll take it now. A free roller coaster ride?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I've switched on the DSR, I've set the speed to 3. When you
Three.
switch it out for the first time, it comes at 6. You can control this from set plus and set minus to go up and down.
Okay.
I've done 3 for our safety. And to do this, you just have to leave the brakes and let the car go. And have faith that it will reduce the speed.
Oh.
Did you have faith? No. It clearly looked on your face. No. But yeah.
So it was